The human body is an incredibly complex biological system, and at its very core, it is made mostly of water. Every function of our body depends on this vital fluid. In a healthy adult, water accounts for approximately 60% of total body weight. This massive volume serves as the foundation for all cellular life and metabolic activity. However, this water is not just sloshing around. It is carefully divided and regulated into specific compartments inside and outside your cells to maintain biological balance. The first main compartment is the intracellular fluid, or ICF. This is the fluid found entirely inside our cells, housing the machinery that keeps us alive. The second is the extracellular fluid, or ECF. This occupies the environment surrounding the cells and acts as the internal sea that connects our entire body. These two worlds are separated by the semi-permeable cell membrane, a dynamic and selective barrier that controls exactly what enters and leaves the cellular space. When we look at total body water, the distribution is striking. About 2/3 of our body fluid is contained within the intracellular space of our trillions of cells. The remaining 1/3 is extracellular. This vital 2-to-1 ratio ensures that cells have the internal volume needed to house organelles and perform their work. The intracellular fluid serves as the thick, protein-rich medium for cell metabolism, supporting everything from energy production to complex genetic expression. Chemically, the ICF is distinct. It is rich in potassium and magnesium, which are the primary cations that drive internal cellular reactions and enzymatic functions. The extracellular fluid is further divided. The largest portion is the interstitial fluid, which bathes the outside of our cells and acts as a bridge for nutrients. The second major ECF component is plasma, the liquid portion of our blood. Together, they maintain systemic circulation and the blood pressure needed for life. In contrast to the inside of the cell, the extracellular fluid is rich in sodium and chloride, creating the electrical and chemical gradients our body requires. These charged particles are called electrolytes. They are the electrical conductors that control fluid balance, nerve impulses, and every single muscle contraction. Sodium is the dominant electrolyte outside the cell, while potassium lives mostly inside. This separation is essential for the electrical signals that keep our hearts beating. The most important rule of fluid movement is osmosis. Water will always move toward areas with a higher concentration of solutes, particularly sodium. To maintain these vital gradients, the sodium-potassium pump uses ATP energy to constantly push sodium out and pull potassium in, maintaining the balance of life.